best banana you've ever had in your life?
The most important thing to me is that we are privileged to be able to work together with Ghanaian Christians to reach others for Christ. It takes time to live in community and to develop relationships deeply enough where you can communicate and relate so that you can address the deeper issues of life. And
it's impossible to know a culture without knowing the people living here. And over time, and we still have a lot to learn, we grow in our appreciation of these individuals that God's put in our lives.
And we've been working with Ghanaian nationals for the past 10 years very closely, doing medical work and literacy work. When I first came here and started working in the hospital, we didn't even have a management team. So we were able to find Ghanaian Christians who could be a part of that, and we've built the team up. And over the years, God keeps bringing in new people who are qualified, and they catch a vision for the ministry here. And so we've been able to step back.
We thank God very much for the lives of the Gongwers. And his vision, always as he mentioned, has been that he would like the Ghanaian people to assume a responsibility. And he has been able to work towards that. I would say that I am a product of his good works.
A typical day now would consist of going to the hospital in the morning, and we have either patient or staff devotions around 8 o'clock in the morning, which are then followed by prayer rounds that the chaplain and other people will go around and pray for the patients, while the doctors and nurses also go around and do the medical rounds for patients. After that, we would then go to the consulting rooms in our outpatient department and see the 100 or so patients that come every day and take care of them.
In general, I would say God has been so nice to me because my father died very early and stayed with our grandmother. And for a long time, I decided I have to school. I have to become a medical doctor. Each day as I see the patients, I feel like God has come down to help us. Because these are people who are always in need. And this hospital has come about because some people somewhere are helping us to survive. So in my own small way, I think God is using this hospital to heal, to bless a lot of people.
One needs to have a special heart to be able to work in health institution, especially a place like this. I didn't even know that I would have the courage to do that until I came here and I see that gradually God has transformed me.
The literacy program is currently focused on building the library and praying ahead for the way God will use it in the community. Right now, the library project is in the final building phase, and as we put the last pieces together, we are praying every day for God to work out His plan of the people who will be part of running the library and making it a success. We'll invite all the churches of the community, all the schools of the community to be a part. We also invite our supporters at home to continue to pray for us in this process, that God would call up His people to work in the library and manage the library.
It will be a good advantage for the people here. We never dreamed of putting up such a building here. And now it's not by the will of man, by God.
In the meantime, God has called up a group of young professionals, and they've entitled themselves the Ambassadors for Christ in Ankaase. And they have a vision for education, health, and evangelism. Every other week they have a reading club. So that's the focus of literacy right now. And we love to come beside them with whatever help they need for outreach ministries that they do every month. God has given our daughter Kayla His grace to live this adventurous life. She loves it here in Ghana. She loves it whenever we go to America. He's given her ability to adapt, and we give our thanks to the Father for His hand on her life.
Fufu with rice soup.
We've really enjoyed having medical students, a numerous number of teams, work teams, who each one have contributed to the ministry in different ways. And right now we're blessed to have Erica Beals here for 1 year at least to assist in teaching. And we've been working as a team to do that, and it's been a great blessing. So we so much appreciate it when the Lord calls people to specific tasks here that enable us to accomplish the other things that we have going on.